Life was given to us a billion years ago. What have we done with it?
Lucy, it's easy as pie. In and out, all done and dusted.
And why don't you do it yourself?
And the last thing the guy's expecting is a total 10 turning up to deliver the case. They'll blow his mind, come on.
What's in it?
Sweet. Don't get paranoid on me, all right? You trust me, don't you?
Richard, I really do like you, but I have to take care of myself right now. I don't know, I gotta concentrate on so many things.
Hey, what are you doing?
I'm going home because I have exams on Monday. I have to shower and I have to study, okay?
You know what? The other day I was in this museum, and you know what I found out?
What?